Welcome to your Doctor Direct Impression Kit. In this video, we'll walk you through every step to get a good impression. Now that you've received your at-home impression kit, you're one step closer to your new smile. Before starting, be sure to brush and floss your teeth to get the most accurate impressions. After you open your box, take everything out and lay it on a clean surface. Put on your gloves and make sure you're in a well-lit room. As you can see, you have 4 impression trays, 2 for your upper teeth and 2 for your lower teeth. For each impression, you'll use 1 gray and 1 purple putty. Mix 1 gray and 1 purple putty together until there are no streaks. Set your timer for 1 minute. You don't want the putty to get hard before you take your impression. Once the putties are mixed and create one color, roll the putty into a log and then place it into the tray. Start with the upper arch by placing the tray onto your upper teeth, applying even pressure with your lip over the tray. Don't bite down, but make sure your teeth gently touch the bottom of the tray. Keep the tray in for 2.5 minutes. When removing the tray, you can use the handle to help. Now you can compare your impression with the ones in the guide. See how the gum line is clearly defined and there are no streaks in the putty? Place your impressions back in the box and seal it with the sticker that was inside your kit. The return label is already on the outside of the box. You can simply put the box with your completed impressions in your mailbox. And don't forget to take your photos with the Smile Stretcher that came inside your impression box. You can upload your photos right into your portal. We can't wait to see them.